Hello students, in last video we had seen about the n term, how to find the n term, that means formula of Tn. In this video we are going to learn the sum, how to find sum of n term. The formula of Sn, that means the sum of n term, is n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Here n means the n term, how many terms are given to you, that number means n. A means first term and d means common difference between that consecutive terms. Sum of n term is also find out by another formula, but the case is, in this case the first and last term should be known. तुम्हाला पहिलं आणि शेवटचं पद माहिती असेल तर तुम्ही हा फॉर्म्युला एस एन साठी वापरू शकता. एस एन इज इक्वल टू एन अपॉन 2 in bracket t1 plus tn, n upon 2 in bracket t1 plus tn, first term plus last term multiply by n upon 2. This formula you can use to find Sn when first and last term you know. Now we will start practice at 3.3, in which this formula we have to use. See, the first term of an EP is 6 and the common difference is 3 respectively. Find S27. Here the first term is given, that means A is given, common difference is given, that means D is given, and S27 you have to find, that means 27 is the value of n. So write the formula of Sn. Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. Put up the values. S27, 27 upon 2, 2 multiplied by 6, A की value 6 है, plus n minus 1, 27 minus 1 multiplied by d, d is 3. Now first do multiplication and bracket here, solve the bracket. 6 2s are 12, 27 minus 1 6, 26 multiplied by 3. Here plus 12 plus 26 multiplied by 3. First solve 26 multiplied by 3, that is 78. Now you can solve this addition. 12 plus 78, that is 90. Now 27 upon 2 multiplied by 90. 90 is divisible by 2, so we can divide it by 2 and our answer is 45. Here remaining 1. Now 27 multiplied by 45 is equal to 1215, 1215. So S27 is 1215. Like this you have to solve this first example. Now question number 2, find the sum of the first term, the first 123 even natural numbers. So for that we have to write the progression, arithmetic progression, that is 2 4 6 even natural numbers ना. So even natural numbers म्हणजे सम नैसर्गिक संख्या, it starts from 2, so 2 4 6 and so on, and last we don't know the last number, but here n is 123, so we have to find the sum of the 123 even natural numbers. A is 2 and D is also 2, difference is also 2, you can see here. So use the formula and solve this example same way as we solve the question number 1. Now question number 3, find the sum of the all even numbers between 1 to 350. Here even numbers we have to write between 1 to 350. When between word is given, at that time we have to take between numbers. We cannot take 350 as a even number because there is a word between. So starts number from 1, between 1 to 350 there are even numbers 2 4 6 and last number is 348. 350 is also even number, but between word is there, त्याच्यामधल्या संख्यांची बेरीज विचारले, समान संख्यांची, त्याच्यामुळे त्याच्यामध्ये म्हणजे हा नंबर त्याच्यात नाही येणार 350, so 348च. So what we get here, see, we get here A, we get here D, we get here Tn, and n is equal to, so we have to find first of all n. Okay, for that वी यूज द फॉर्म्युला ऑफ टी एन. वी शुड नो हिअर लास्ट टर्म आपल्याला दिला आहे म्हणजे टी एन दिला आहे, पण तो कितवा आहे ते माहिती नाही, म्हणजे एनची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला काढायची आहे. सो फॉर दॅट वी यूज द फॉर्म्युला ऑफ टी एन हिअर. टी एन इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस एन मायनस 1 डी. टी एन दिलेला आहे 348, ए इज 2 प्लस वी आपल्याला एन माहिती नाही आहे आणि डी मल्टिप्लाय बाय 2. मग डी मीन्स मल्टिप्लाय 2. सो दिस 2 कम्स हिअर अँड बिकम negative minus. So 348 minus 2 346. This multiply comes here and become divide. We divide 346 by 2, we get answer 173. Minus 1 comes here and become plus 1. So n is equal to 174. Now we can use the formula of Sn. Here we know the value of n first term and last term, so we use this formula. This is the second formula of Sn, n upon 2 in bracket t1 plus tn. So 174 upon 2 is equal to 2 plus 348. First of all add this, that is 350. Now divide 350 by 2, we get answer 175. 175 by 1 multiply by 174, our answer is 30,450. So S174 is equal to 30,450. That means the sum of all even numbers between 1 to 350 is 30,450. You should write that in full sentence. Now question number 4. In an AP, 90th term is 52 and 30th term is 128. Find the sum of first 56 terms. Now for that we should find out the value of A and D. Here 56, we have to find the sum of 56 terms. That means n is, we know n. Okay, for that, to find the value of A and D, they given us two given things, that are 19th term is given, 19th term is given and 30th term is given. So T19 is equal to 52, T38 is equal to 128. We use the formula of Tn and form one equation. We don't know the value of A and D, so we get the equation in the form of A and D. Here A plus n minus 1d, n is 19, so 19 minus 1 18d, A plus 18d, and T19 is 52. Same way here we find the one equation. Now we have to find the value of A and D. For that we use the elimination method. So here A is have a same coefficient, that is 1, and same sign, so we have to eliminate. If we want to eliminate them, then we should give them opposite sign. For that we subtract equation 1 from 2. So 2 मधून 1 इक्वेशन सबट्रॅक्ट करणार, खालच्या सगळ्या टर्म्सचे ॲडिशन साइन्स चेंज होणार. That is plus the minus, plus the minus, plus the minus. Here A and minus A cancel. 128 minus 52 76. 37 minus 18d 19d. D 19 comes here, become divide. So D is equal to 4. By substituting D is equal to 4 in equation 1, we get 52 is equal to A plus 18 multiplied by 4. First we do 18 multiplied by 4, 72. It comes there, and 52 minus 72, that is A is equal to minus 20. Now we get A is minus 20, D is 4, N is 56, and now we have to find the S56. Now you can easily use formula and solve this example and find the value of S56. Now question number 5, you can solve this activity. Use method of question number 3. Draw boxes shown in the activity, because that boxes are important in the exam. You should draw that boxes and write the answers in that boxes. Now question number 6. The sum of the first 55 terms of an AP is 3300. Find the 28 terms. Now what we have to do? See, first they given us S55 3300. So use the formula of Sn, n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. We only know the value of n. We we don't know the value of A and D, so put A and D as it is. Put the formula, put the value of n. n ची व्हॅल्यू टाकली 55/2 in bracket 2a plus 55 minus 1. n ची व्हॅल्यू 55 d. So 55/2 multiplied by 2a plus 54d. 2 we take 2 from this two terms common. That means 2a is divisible by 2 and 2 is divisible by 2 and 54 is also divisible by 2, so we get 2 common here, and here remaining a and 27d. 2 ने जर आपण 54 ला डिवाइड केलं तर 27d राहतात. 27 2 54, a multiplied by 2 2a, so 2 cancel, 55 in bracket a plus 27d. Now s55 is equal to 3300, so we put the value of this s55. Now this 55 comes here and become divide. We get answer 300. We get answer 60. First of all, we divide it by 11 5s, 11 3s and 0. Then we divide 300 by 5. So our answer is 60. So a plus 27d is equal to 60. We get equation 1. Now we have to find the T28. So write the formula of Tn. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Here also we only know the value of n. We don't know the value of a and d. So put a and d as it is. Here T28 is equal to a plus 28 minus 1d. So T28 is equal to a plus 27d. But from equation 1 we all know that a plus 27d is equal to 60. So here T28 is equal to 60. We get that answer. The 20th term is 60. Hello students, this is question number 7 from practice set 3.3 maths 1 from 10th standard. Here in an AP the sum of 3 consecutive terms is 27 and their product is 504. Find the terms. These are two conditions are given to us. दोन आपल्याला कंडिशन दिलेलं आहे की 3 कॉन्सिक्युटिव्ह टर्म्सचे ॲडिशन आहे. सम म्हणजे ॲडिशन म्हणजे बेरीज आहे 27 आणि त्यांचं प्रोडक्ट म्हणजे त्यांचा गुणाकार आहे 504. सो ते 3 टर्म्स कोणते आहेत? लेट दॅट 3 कॉन्सिक्युटिव्ह टर्म्स इन एन ए पी बी ए मायनस डी ए अँड ए प्लस डी. लक्षात ठेवा 3 कॉन्सिक्युटिव्ह टर्म्स ज्यावेळी येतील त्यावेळी कितीही कॉन्सिक्युटिव्ह टर्म्स आले तरीसुद्धा ए मायनस डीने स्टार्ट करायची. फर्स्ट टर्म असणार आहे ए मायनस डी. त्याच्यानंतर सेकंड टर्म काढताना त्याच्या पुढचा टर्म काढताना प्लस डी करायचा त्याच्यात, म्हणजे त्यांच्यातला डिफरन्स डी असणार आहे. सो त्याच्यात प्लस डी केल्यानंतर हा प्लस डी मायनस डी कॅन्सल होईल तर ए राहिला. परत आता दुसऱ्या टर्म मिळाला. आता तिसरा टर्म काढत असताना परत त्याच्यात प्लस डी करा, आपल्याला तिसरा टर्म मिळेल ए प्लस डी. दॅट मीन्स फर्स्ट इज ए मायनस डी, ए आणि ए प्लस डी. दीज आर द 3 कॉन्सिक्युटिव्ह टर्म्स. हे 3 सलग पद आहेत. आता बाय फर्स्ट गिवन कंडिशन द सम ऑफ 3 कॉन्सिक्युटिव्ह टर्म, या तिघांची ॲडिशन आहे 27. ए प्लस ए मायनस डी प्लस ए प्लस डी 27 प्लस डी मायनस डी कॅन्सल. ए प्लस ए 3a, 3 becomes divide here and a is 9. We get a is 9. Now the second condition, the product is 504. So a minus d multiplied by a plus d multiplied by a is equal to 504. We know that a minus d into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. It is the expansion of a square minus b square. So we can write here multiplication of these two bracket is a square minus d square. Now multiply by a is equal to 504. Now we know the value of a from 1. A is 9. So we put the value of a 9. So 9 square 81 minus d square minus multiply by 9 come here and become divide. So we divide 504 by 9, we get answer 56. Minus d square comes here become plus d square and 56 comes here become minus 56. So 81 minus 56 is 25 equal to d square. Now by taking square root of both sides we get d is equal to plus minus 5. Now we get the value of a is 9 and d is plus or minus 5. So we have to find the value of a minus d. When we find the value of a minus d, at that time we put the value of d is +5 also and -5 also. So we get the value of a minus d, we get the two value of a minus d and a plus d च्या पण दोन व्हॅल्यूज आपल्याला मिळणार आहे. पहिल्या याच्यामध्ये 9 minus a minus d आहे. सो a is 9 minus d ची व्हॅल्यू +5 घेतली तर 4 आलं. इकडे a minus d बरोबर 9 minus -5. आता d ची व्हॅल्यू -5 घेतली, मायनस +5, सो 9 plus 5 14 आली. a ची व्हॅल्यू 9च आहे, सो सेकंड टर्म इज 9. थर्ड टर्म a plus d, सो 9 plus 5 घेतला तर 14 आलं आणि 9 plus -5 घेतला तर 4 आलं. सो दॅट 3 कॉन्सिक्युटिव्ह टर्म्स आर 4 9 14 और 14 9 4. एकदा d ची व्हॅल्यू प्लस घेऊन पण व्हॅल्यू काढायची आणि मायनस घेऊन पण व्हॅल्यू काढायची. अशा पद्धतीने तुम्ही क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 सॉल्व करू. नाव क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, फाइंड द 4 कॉन्सिक्युटिव्ह टर्म्स इन एन AP whose sum is 12 and the sum of the third and fourth term is 14. Now what we have to do, we have to let the 4 consecutive terms in an AP be a minus d, a plus d and a plus 2d. In last example I have told you that first term जो आहे तो a minus dच घ्यायचा. मग त्याच्यामध्ये फक्त d ॲड करत गेलं तर आपल्याला पुढचे सगळे टर्म्स मिळत जातात. म्हणजे जसं a minus d मध्ये d ॲड केला तर प्लस d मायनस d कॅन्सल होऊन a होतो. परत या सेकंडमध्ये d ॲड केला तर a प्लस d होतो. परत याच्यामध्ये एक d ॲड केला तर a प्लस 2d होतो. अशा प्रकारे 4 कॉन्सिक्युटिव्ह टर्म्स आले. फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट गिवन कंडिशन त्यांची सगळ्यांची सम म्हणजे ॲडिशन आहे, बेरीज आहे 12. सो a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d is equal to 12. मायनस d प्लस d कॅन्सल, a plus a plus a प्लस a 4a plus 2d बरोबर 12. इथे 2ने डिवाइड केलं ईच टर्मला तर 2a plus d equal to 6. That is equation number 1. Okay, we cannot do anything from this. Okay, so we just put the equation number 1 here. Now by the given condition, थर्ड अँड फोर्थ टर्म, सम ऑफ थर्ड अँड फोर्थ टर्म इज 14. थर्ड आणि फोर्थ टर्मची सम म्हणजे a प्लस डी आणि a प्लस 2dची सम आहे 14. सो a 2a आणि इकडे d तसाच ठेवला, प्लस 2d तसाच ठेवला. 2a प्लस डीची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला इकडे मिळाले 6, ती आपण इथे याच्या जागेवर पुटअप केली इथे. 6 प्लस 2d बरोबर 14. 6 तिकडे जाऊन मायनस झाले 8, 2 तिकडे जाऊन डिवाइड झाले, d इज इक्वल टू 4. By substituting the value of d in equation 1, we get 2a plus 4 is equal to 6. 4 becomes here minus, 2a is equal to 2, a is equal to 2 upon 2 and a is equal to 1. Now we get the value of a and d. So we can write the first term a minus d, 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Second term, third term and fourth term like this. So our 4 consecutive terms are -3, 1, 5 and 9. Now we see the example number, question number 9. If the 9th term of any AP is 0, then show that the 29th term is twice the 19th term. First we write T9 is equal to 0. So we write the formula of Tn. We don't know the value of a and d, just put up the value of n is 9. So 9 minus 1, 8d. T9 ची value is 0. 0 is equal to a plus 8d. महा प्लस 8d तिकडे जाऊन मायनस 8d झाला. सो व्हॅल्यू ऑफ a इज मायनस 8d. नाव बाय टेकिंग n इज इक्वल टू 19, आपण 19 घेतला. tn इज इक्वल टू a प्लस n मायनस 1. a ची व्हॅल्यू टाकली मायनस 8d. n ची व्हॅल्यू आहे 19 मायनस 1 18d. सो मायनस 8d प्लस 18d 10d. T19 ची व्हॅल्यू आली 10d. आणि बाय टेकिंग n इज इक्वल टू 29, T29 ची व्हॅल्यू काढूया. a ची व्हॅल्यू मायनस 8d प्लस 29 मायनस 1d 28d मायनस 8d. 28d मधून 8d गेले 20d. सो T29 झाली 20d अँड T19 झाली 10d. म्हणजेच फ्रॉम 2 and 3 वी कम्स टू नो दॅट हा 10d आहे, हा 20d आहे, म्हणजे हा याच्या ट्वाईस आहे, म्हणजे T19च्या ट्वाईस T29 आहे. अँड दॅट वी हॅव टू show. Okay, so 29th term is twice of the 19th term. Like that you can solve this example also.